So we continue with calculus, and last time we've seen that this parabola is not the graph of a function. Today is Monday, Tuesday, okay, March, okay, 17, okay, okay, up. I say that this function was not the graph of a function, okay. Maybe I have it here on calculus 2. Okay, this function is not a graph of a function of x. Okay, now we will see that we can split this function in two parts, because the equation of the function implies that y squared equals x plus 2, which has two solutions. First is y equals to x as square root of x plus 2, and the second one is the y equal the same but the negative up. Okay, now I have a function of x. Okay, we'll give the domain. We know that the domain of a square root function is we have already seen the domain. It is here. We've already calculated. Where does x make sense? It makes sense when is okay is this, and now I can draw the function, and we will have two functions. First one, first graph, it is the upper parabola. So if I do it with matplotlib with this snippet, okay, so x goes to minus 2 to 50, for example, and y equals square root of x plus 2, and I have this half parabola. I will draw it. It will be much simpler. So first one is this, okay, x y minus 2, and the first function goes like this. Voilà, it is a half parabola. Okay, this is the function of y equals minus 2 x plus 2. Okay, second function, minus 2. Okay, and how is the graphical representation of the second function? Up, okay, minus square root of x plus 2. It is a lower parabola. lower bar goes something like this, much like this. Voilà. And here y equals minus x plus 2. Voilà, hop, take this, hop, hop, has n. Ouais. I forgot to do the test. If I do the vertical line test, it is obvious that is we choose this color, vertical line test, and it has passed the vertical line test. It is a graph of a function. Voilà. Et voilà.